Why not come and visit the St Austell Brewery's Visitor Centre? With more than 150 years of Cornish history, you can explore St Austell Brewery's interactive museum and learn the fascinating story of our pubs, beers, wines and spirits, and about the Cornish families who created them. Walk through the Victorian brewery and see the brewing process firsthand, including the secret spring that supplies our water. End your tour at the Hicks Bar with some essential sampling of our award-winning ales. Then visit our licensed brewery shop where you'll find an extensive range of wine, spirits, gifts, and of course St Austell bottled beers, all at special prices. We have a free car park and tours take place daily between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Each tour lasts for 1 hour and evening group bookings are available on request. Visit our website www.staustellbrewery.co.uk or call us on 01726 66022 to book your tour.